my dear friend. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Afrin Afzal and I am a student of Gopal Narayan Singh University. Now I am discuss about Karl Pearson's of correlation and solve some problem. In correlation analysis, if two variables are given, what is the relation between two variables that we are going to discuss in this correlation chapter? In this correlation analysis, having three parts. First one is positive correlation. Second one is negative correlation and third one is no correlation. For example, one I can take one variable is price and another variable is demand. If then I can explain the positive correlation. If price is increased, then demand is also increased. It shows the positive correlation. If price is similarly in decrease phenomena. If price is decrease, then demand is also decrease. It shows the also shows positive correlation. But in negative correlation, if demand is increased, then price is decreased. It shows the negative correlation. And third one is no relation, means there is no relation at all. I think you able to understand. Once I can say you along with me. If price increase, then demand is also increased. It shows the positive correlation. In negative correlation, if price is increased and demand is decreased, it shows the negative correlation. Zero correlation means there is no correlation at all. Now we can move of our problem. There is a given data. Basically solve this data basically in four steps. First step to calculate first step to calculate mean of x and y series. Mean of x and y series. Second step to calculate deviation of variable x minus x bar from the mean of dx. Similarly to calculate deviation of variable y minus y dash from the mean of y dy. Third step, square dx square and dy square. Squaring deviation means dx square and dy square. Fourth step is multiply dx into dy. Okay. Now we can move in our data. Here is given two variable x and y. Here is two variable x and y. X shows the given data 6, 2, 10, 4 and 8. Similarly, y shows the data 9, 11, 5, 8 and 7. Now we can solve this problem. We can follow the four steps. First one, to calculate mean of x and y series. Mean of x and y series. How we can calculate of mean? X bar means x bar. So we can calculate x bar means x dash is equal to here is the formula of mean. X dash is equal to sigma x upon n. What is sigma x? It is the sum of mean series, like 6 plus 2 plus 10 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 30. And what is the n? N is the number of element. Means 6, 2, 10, 4 and 8. Total number of element is 5. 30 divided by 5, we can find the x bar means x dash is equal to 6. Similarly, to calculate the deviation of y minus y dash from the mean of dy. So first of all, we can find dy means d dash y dash is equal to sigma y upon n. Sigma y means given data mean series of y 9 plus sum of the mean series of y means 9 plus 11 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7 is equal to 40 and n total number of elements of y series is 5. 40 upon 5 is equal to 8. We can find the y dash means y bar. So then we can calculate the deviation means dx is equal to x minus x bar means x dash. So first element is given in for x series, mean of x series is 6, and we can find x dash is 6 means dx is equal to, what is the formula of here? Dx is equal to x minus x bar means 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. First data is 0. Also follow this technique, we can find all the data. Like I can find dx is equal to 0, minus 4, 4, minus 2 and 2. Similarly, to find the deviation variable of y minus y dash from the mean of dy, we can find dy is equal to y minus y dash means first given data of mean series of y is 9, and we can find the y dash is equal to 8 means 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Similarly, we can find all the data of dy. I can find this data 1, 3, minus 3, 0, minus 1. Now we can follow the third step means square of dx and dy. A square of dx means zeros square zeros. 4 square is 4. I mean minus 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16. Minus 2 square is 4. 2 is 4. Similarly, we can find dy square. 1 square is 1. 3 square is 9. Minus 3 square is 9. 0 square is 0. And minus 1 square is 1. Uh, we can we can move our fourth step. First step is what is the first step? Multiply d into dy. Here dx into dy. Multiply 0 into 1 means 0. 4 into 3 is 12. 4 into 3 is 12. Minus 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into minus 1 is, okay. Then we can find the correlation. Here, a small r indicates the correlation. Here is the formula. Here is the formula r is equal to sigma dx into dy divided by under root sigma dx square into sigma dy square. I think you are able to understand. Once again, say along with me. R is equal to sigma dx into dy divided by under root sigma dx square into dy square. Sorry, sigma dy square. Then dx into dy. Okay. R is equal to 26. How we can find? Here, dx into dy is equal to 0. Sum of this data 0 plus 12 plus 12 plus 0 plus 12 is equal to 26. And put here sigma dx into dy is equal to 26. Then we can add this dx square and dy square. First, we can calculate dx square. 0 plus 16 plus 16 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 40. Then we can also add the dy square. Similar, same process. 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 20. Then we can put here the final result. To find the final result, r is equal to 26 divided by under root 40 into 20 sigma dx square into dy square. Here is the value of 40 and 20. 40 into 20, r is equal to 26 divided by under root 800 means 40 into 20 is equal to 800. After then, r is equal to 26 divided by 28.28 means under root, find the square root of 800. We can find the This value means here, look at this 28.28. After this 26 divided by 28.28, we can find the final result 0.91. Here is the final result of correlation analysis. I think you can understand. So we can calculate four steps. It is very easy to calculate the correlation of any problem. We can follow the four steps. Uh, First, to calculate the mean series of x and y. Second step, to calculate the deviation of variable x minus x bar from the mean of dx. Similarly, to calculate the deviation variable of y minus y square from the mean of dy. Third step, square dx and dy. Multiplying Fourth step, multiplying by dx into dy. It is very simple to find the correlation analysis. Um, uh, After this, here is a final answer, and the mean formula x dash is equal to sigma x divided by n. N is the number of element, and sigma sum of the x series of x. Similarly, y bar is equal to sigma y divided by n. What is the n? Number of element, and sigma y, x sum of the x series of y, mean series of y, mean series of y. We can follow this four step. We can find dx dy, dx square, dy square, dx into dy. Uh, if we are find this data, we are able to calculate correlation analysis. Correlation analysis formulas is given here. Sigma dx into dy divided by under root sigma dx square into dy square. Similarly, we can calculate all the sum of dx into dy, dx square of sum of dx square, and similarly sum of dy square. We can like 40, 20, 26. We can put here our correlation analysis formula put here, like 26 divided by under root 40 into 20, r is equal to 26 divided by under root 800, r is equal to 26. We can calculate the square root of 800. We can find 28.28. R is equal to 0.91. Here is the final answer. I think you can understand. Thank you.